Hey guys, welcome back to Roma's Kitchen. So before I get into what today's video is all about, even though you can tell from the title what today's video is all about, please head on over to Instagram and follow my business page at the main place underscore and also on Facebook at the main place. So today I'll be making some purple corn porridge. I made purple corn porridge for breakfast and it was just so good. So I decided to share the recipe with you guys. So normally I would make corn porridge but with the regular yellow corn that I'm used to back home, but this one is purple. I had no idea purple corn existed, but hey, it does, and it is very good. Well, it's just like corn, so if you love corn you will love this video, and if you want to see how purple corn porridge is made in Roma's kitchen, stick around right after this intro. So guys, here I have my corn, my purple corn. To me it's just like the regular yellow corn that I'm used to. These are just purple and this is dry, so I'll be removing the corn from the cob. Then I'll be just washing this and adding it to my blender with some cinnamon powder and some water. Now this is it in my blender. I've added just a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and I'll be blending this for 5 minutes, then I'll check to see how it looks. Now after the 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. For me this is way too coarse, so I'll be blending this for an extra 5 minutes, then I'll check to see what it looks like. Now guys, this is the consistency that it now has after the 5 minutes, the extra 5 minutes of blending, and this is perfect. This will give you a better drink from your porridge, everything. So now it's time for me to start cooking. So over medium heat, I'll be adding the porridge to the pot, and this is a bit thick, so I'll be adding to this just a cup of water. Then I'll just be giving this a nice little stir. And guys, at this point now I'll be adding some salt, and I like adding my salt from the get-go because I find that it just gives the porridge a better taste at the end than if you'd add the salt at the end. And I only added a teaspoon of salt guys, so I'm just going to give this a nice little stir, and I'm just going to be leaving this to cook for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, you can see that my porridge is getting nice and thick, and now it's time to add some other ingredients. I'll be adding 1 cup of coconut milk, and coconut milk makes so much of a difference in your porridge guys. It's definitely a yes. Then I'll just be going in also with a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg extract. It's very strong, so a 1/4 teaspoon is enough. I'll be going in with 1 teaspoon also of rose water, then a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Vanilla extract makes everything so yummy. Then I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. If you do not want to add condensed milk, it's fine. You can go ahead and add some sugar, some honey, whichever sweetener you'd like, but condensed milk makes my porridge so creamy and nice, so I definitely love it. I'm giving this a stir, then I'm just going to be allowing this to cook for an additional 10 minutes, to get that coconut milk nice and cooked and to get my porridge a little bit thicker. Now I also added some cinnamon powder again, just a pinch of cinnamon powder. I'm stirring this, and now I'll be leaving this for that extra 10 minutes. Now after the extra 10 minutes, my porridge is nice and thick. I do not want it thicker than this, and I can basically say my porridge is finished and is ready to be served. So yummy guys. The smell, the flavor from this guys, from the condensed milk, the vanilla extract, perfect. Now this is my porridge. I'm ready to just go ahead and have my breakfast. I'm having this with some wheat bread. You can add any bread you like, or crackers, or anything that you like to actually have your porridge with. This is so good guys, so let me know in the comment section if this is something that you try with the purple corn if you have purple corn, or with the regular yellow corn if that's what you have available. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, follow my business page on Instagram at @themainplace_. Thank you for watching. Until next video.